The Keyway and key size calculator determines the proper key dimensions and validates the mechanical integrity for shaft key connections. This calculator has two input fields. First is shaft diameter in inches, where you enter the shaft diameter. Second is torque in lbn, where you enter the applied torque. For this demonstration, I'm entering 10 inches for the shaft diameter and 10 pound-inches for the torque. After clicking Calculate Key Size, the calculator provides 4 critical outputs. The standard key size shows 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches for width times height. The Keyway dimension section gives us the shaft keyway depth at 0.7500 inches, hub keyway depth also at 0.7500 inches, and width tolerance of +0 - 0.002 inches. The stress analysis shows bearing stress at 0 psi with a status reading safe. Stress is within limits, confirming our design is mechanically sound. Finally, the minimum key length is 6,000 inches, with a recommended length of 15,000 inches for optimal performance. This calculator ensures your shaft key assembly will transmit torque reliably without failure. Find the link in the description below.